Spring will be here before we know it, and if you know anything about me, you know I love all the seasons and really try to romanticize every single one. So of course, in today's video, we are going to be resetting and preparing for spring. There's something about spring that really just feels like a new bloom into the season because we have the tulips blooming, we have a lot of fresh fruit starting to grow, we have a lot of pastel colors like my outfit, we have sunflowers that transition from cold weather to warm weather, and there's just something in the air that is so vibrant and magical that I absolutely love. So I thought that it would be fun, since the first week of March is coming up, to do a little spring reset. I actually already did a spring cleaning, and I think that that is the number one thing that really allows me to feel the best that I can in my space. I think that the space that I live in, at least for me, is really important to keep clean and organized. I'm someone who thrives when it's like that. So I already did a spring cleaning, but I feel like this wouldn't be a proper spring reset if I didn't include some of that in this video. So we're gonna go do that now. Video up on my channel already, which I'll have linked down below, but there's something about a spring cleaning that just automatically makes me feel so good about the space that I'm living in. And that energy does allow me to do more things that I want to do, be productive, and I feel like makes me glow on the inside and to the outside. So now that we already did my spring cleaning, I have that spring refresh done, and I just feel so much better about everything. And now we can get into the fun part, because I personally don't love cleaning. Obviously I just do it because I have to do it, but we can get into the fun part of romanticizing spring, which actually starts with making a cute little spring coffee. I'm in my really cute sweater from Princess Polly and this colorful pastel Anthropologie shirt, and I put some bows in my hair because I feel like this outfit is just screaming spring and is giving like magical vibes, which I personally really like. But we are going to go to the kitchen and make a fun little drink. I bought Lucky Charms and I have a new cup from Anthropologie, and I feel like it would be cute to make a coffee in that with Lucky Charms and sprinkles and make it like very whimsical and springy, very pastel. Coffee is made. It actually turned out really cute and it tastes really good, and I think it's very whimsical. But while I drink my coffee, I usually like to edit, or in this case, I'm going to do a spring refresh and a spring declutter of my iPad. So for my iPad, I just got this really pretty case. It's from Velvet Caviar, and I feel like it does match the vibe of spring pretty well. Something I like to do is always change out my wallpapers, especially my iPad and my computer. This year I've been focusing more on those, and I like to go on Pinterest and change out the widgets and everything like that. So while I have my coffee, I thought it would be fun to do that together. It honestly just makes me feel a lot more refreshed for going into the new season and kind of like a restart. Few days later now, I'm actually at the outlets. I figured to continue on this preparing for spring video, another really fun thing that we can do is go shopping. And for me, since I'm in Florida, the weather's been really nice. It's 70 degrees right now, actually supposed to hit 75, and I feel like we should just be outside and really enjoy the weather. I am in my Gap hoodie because yellow just screams spring to me, like those pastel colors. And also, even though it is 75 degrees, I do live by the beach and it's a little bit windy, so I'm just wearing this to be a little bit cozy. But I feel like it it would be really fun to just go to the outlets, get like a spring wardrobe and get a little fun drink. So let's go into the outlets. I'm looking for some spring clothes because I have some trips coming up that I'm really excited for. Most of them are going to be tropical trips, one in April, one in May, and I might be doing something in the summer as well. So I want to start doing like my summer and spring wardrobe. So let's go into a few stores and see what we can find.
Don't you wanna get to know me? I bet I'm stuck inside your mind. I see you with somebody.
I just got out of the outlets. Honestly, it was a very nice time just to be outside and in nature because it is so nice out. It's like the perfect weather to wear what I'm wearing. I'm wearing these really cute blue pastel pants from Daily Drills, but they're towel material so they don't like make me sweat a lot. And like I said, I'm wearing this Gap sweatshirt and it is windy here in Florida, so honestly I was fine. Honestly, the 70-degree weather just feels like spring. It's really not that hot, but I did get a few things. We're going to do a haul when I get home. I got some stuff from Hollister and Aerie and American Eagle, and then I also stopped in Gap and I stopped in Old Navy as well. They had really cute stuff, but I do want to go to TJ Maxx and also Target, so I think we're going to do that because I don't want to get too much stuff before seeing what all of the stores have, and then if I want, I'll just order some more stuff online depending on what I find at Target and TJ Maxx and Home Goods and Marshalls. So we are going to go to Target right now and then probably TJ Maxx and Marshalls and Home Goods. Overall, pretty good day of shopping and I'm really excited. I was here for about like an hour and a half. The good thing about these outlets is that there's not that many of them. There's no Victoria's Secret here, which is kind of annoying. I have to go to a different mall, which is 40 minutes away, but that's okay because I actually just went to Victoria's Secret and it was very fun. I did order some stuff from Victoria's Secret from their Frankie's Bikinis collab, but I ordered that online. So maybe I'll wait until that comes in the mail because I ordered that a few days ago and then I'll include all of that in this haul. I think that's probably what I'll do because that's more for spring too. But let's go to Target and probably TJ Maxx.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get loud, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine a little tonight.
It is a bit later now. I actually just got home from a long day of shopping and then in between, me, Chad, and his cousin who was in town went out to dinner. We went for drinks and appetizers at this one place that was on the water and we saw a dolphin. And then we went to this place called The Garlic, which is one of my favorite Italian restaurants here, and it was so good. And I vlogged it because I feel like it kind of matches the theme of this video. I think that going out to brunch, dinner, being by the water, seeing pretty sunsets is really something that makes me so happy about spring. So I did vlog that. It was like a very unexpected thing. So I literally ran to Target, ran home, changed, and then went. But I do have a haul and I'm very excited. There is some stuff that I had to order online from American Eagle, Victoria's Secret, and some other stores, so I'll put pictures of the stuff that I got. But starting off with Target, I got a few things and I'm really excited about this. So I saw this really pretty pajama set. If you know me, you know I love pajamas. They have shells on them and I think this is so cute for spring and summer. And I also got the matching shorts as well. Then also from Target's clothes section, I got this really pretty shirt. I'm obsessed with this. I actually got this in one of my other vlogs, but I wanted to show it because it's their spring collection and I love it. My boyfriend got me this cute little bunny from Target the other day. It's so cute, I love it. Going into like the decor stuff, so I saw this really pretty flower bunny blanket in the dollar section. Look at how cute this is. I thought this would look really cute on my couch, which we'll decorate tomorrow. Next thing I got were these little cute pajama shorts because it came with this matching shirt. Look at how stinking cute this is with the bunnies that scream spring. It's also really comfortable. So I saw this and I was like, I need that. I got this little table runner. It has ruffles and it was from the dollar section in Target, and I want to put it on my counter with some flowers. I feel like the pastel green is like screaming spring. And then the last thing I got from Target is a bag charm. I usually don't get bag charms from Target, but I saw this one and I just needed it. Look at this little cute beach bag with the sunglasses. I'm obsessed. Then I actually ordered this online and it came the other day. I ordered this little skincare headband. It's called like the Gelato collection and it's just screaming spring to me. So I wanted to share it because we're doing a full-on spring haul right now. So for Anthropologie, I got some stuff from the home section. I got the bunny cup that I made my coffee in before. And then I also got this little dish. I feel like this is screaming spring and I love how there's a little S in it. I use it as a ring tray and I love it. And then for clothes from Anthropologie, I got this really cute sparkly shirt that I was wearing earlier in this video, but I had recently just got this, so I wanted to show it as well. It is so comfortable and so soft. Next, from Pottery Barn, I got these little cute dainty plates. Look at how stinking cute these are. Are we joking? This is adorable. I'll also have all this linked on my Shop My if anyone was wondering like exact links. Now moving on to Aeropostale. So from Aeropostale, I got this the other day. This wasn't from the outlets, but I got this really cute shirt. Also from Aeropostale, I got these really cute sweatpants. I love tie-dye. 2016 is definitely making a comeback and these are screaming 2016. I actually just made a 2016 video and I included this haul in that video because these clothes are screaming 2016 to me. I love the way that video came out though, so if you do want to watch it, I'll have it linked down below because I'm really proud of it. Moving on, from Hollister, this cute little polka dot spaghetti strap shirt, and then also same style but different color. And then also from Hollister, this little poncho thing as a cover up. I think this is so cute. And then from Free People, I ordered this online, but this shirt was just screaming spring to me and I love it. Next, I got a little restock of makeup. I feel like when I'm going into a new season, I like to clean my makeup brushes and also get restocks of my makeup that I need. So I ended up getting the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I love the NARS concealer. I use it all the time and I was out, so I got a new one of those. Then from Rare Beauty, I got a few things. I'm so excited. I love getting Rare Beauty stuff because the packaging is so cute. But first thing I got is the volumizing mascara. I actually never tried their mascara before, but I heard it's really good. And I ran out of my Tarte mascara, so I got a Rare Beauty mascara. I got another bronzer stick because the one I used I ran out of, and I got it in Happy Soul. The one I use is Always Sunny, but I wanted to try a new one and I'm so excited about this. This glides on my face like butter. I'm obsessed with it. And then I think this came as like a little sample. It's a little cream. Look at how cute that is. And then the last thing of a physical item I got is this sleepy tie. I saw Samantha Nicole's vlog and she was talking about how these are so good on her hair and like very easy to sleep in, so I immediately had to try it out. I'll let you guys know if it works with my hair because my hair is not good with holding a curl, so we'll see. But it looked beautiful on her hair, so I wanted to give it a try. It's actually the next day and my American Eagle haul actually ended up coming, so I figured it would be easier to just show you than put the picture. So first things first, I got this really cute pair of jeans. I think they're so cute. It's like a boot cut and new jeans are something I've been needing, so I got this new pair of jeans. Then I got this really pretty green and blue striped shirt and I love it because it's like a halter with an open back. And I got the matching pants. The pants did not come yet, so I'll have a picture on the screen. But I just think like this to go to brunch or to the beach or just like a cute night outfit is something that's adorable. Then I also got this really pretty striped blue shirt. I'm obsessed with this. I think it's so stinking cute and I also love the back. Like look at how adorable that is. I also got this really cute pair of headbands. I've been loving headbands and I love polka dots, so I saw this and I knew I wanted to get it. And then I got this, and this is like the staple of the show for me. Look at how cute this lemon sweater is. This screams spring. I'm obsessed with it. I think it's so stinking cute and I cannot wait to wear it. That's everything I got from American Eagle other than the pants that match this green shirt, and I'm very excited about it and I think it's going to be adorable. But now back to the other haul. That's everything I have for a physical haul. Now I'm gonna go over some of the things that I ordered online. First thing, from Victoria's Secret, I got a zip-up sweatshirt from the Frankie's Bikini collab with them and it's really cute. It has cherries on it. I really wanted the pants too, but the pants sold out. And then I also got, it was a little set. It reminded me of the shirt I got from Target, but it was a long sleeve shirt with shorts and I absolutely loved it. And then the last thing I ordered was from Hollister. I did go to Hollister and I wanted to get the stuff there, but they didn't have my size, so I had to order it. I got this really cute surfboard graphic tank. It is so cute. And then I also got a reversible bikini. It's like blue and then it has blue polka dots. I got another reversible bikini and it's pink with stripes. And then I got a long sleeve front shrug to go over the bikini, and I think it's really cute. So that is everything I got. I'm really excited about everything, but I'm actually going to get ready for bed now because we're doing something very fun and very spring coded tomorrow, which is why this video is going to be a day late going up on YouTube, because I'm trying to post either Tuesday or Wednesday and then Sunday, but tomorrow's Sunday. But I really want to include this in the video because Florida's having their strawberry festival right now, and there's something about fresh fruit and strawberries that just really remind me of spring, and I'm going with my friend Madison, so I want to vlog that. I'm actually going to try out the sleepy tie tonight, so I'll let you guys know how it works. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do, but hopefully I can figure it out. Is this a good idea to do when I need my hair to look good? Probably not. I'm already confused, but we're gonna try and figure it out. I will say it does feel soft and very promising, so hopefully we can figure this out. I just got ready and I took my hair out of the sleepy tie. This is my little outfit. I feel like dresses are very in right now, and long dresses scream spring to me. So I put on this long dress from TJ Maxx and this button up from Target and then tied it. I think it looks pretty cute. And then I'm just wearing these Adidas. I'm going to quickly put my little spring decor out. It's like 2 things, and then we're going to go to Madison's and drive to the Strawberry Festival. Very cute decor moment. Now let's go pick up Madison and go to the festival. I'm really excited because there's supposed to be really good food and of course strawberry picking. I just got to Madison's. The strawberry festival is like an hour from us, but I think we are going to stop and get coffee first because I'm starving and I want coffee. It's a bit later now. Me and Madison had such a fun time strawberry picking. I feel like when it comes to strawberry picking, you either get like a really good day or a really bad day with weather. And normally in Jersey, every single time we would go to a strawberry field, a tulip field, a sunflower field, it would downpour. So it was nice that even though it was hot, it was finally a nice day out where it was sunny. There was so many fun things to do at this festival. There was obviously strawberry picking, there was blueberry picking, there was sunflower picking, there was a lot of food trucks, and then me and Madison also did like a wine tasting, which was all strawberry wine, and it was really good. And overall, very fun day. We took some pictures and have a lot of strawberries. I brought this really cute, pretty floral purse, which I'm pretty sure is from Princess Polly, and I'm obsessed with it, and I thought it was so cute, and I put my little MEJ clip on the side of it, and I took pictures with it, and I think it's adorable. I'm going to go upstairs now. I want to do some spring baking, but I want to edit some of this video first, so in a little bit, probably much later, we are going to finish off this video by doing some spring baking. I just finished making my cookies. I had such a fun time making them. I found these cookie cutters from Target that were like very spring themed, and I feel like they matched the vibe perfectly. There was a tulip, an egg, an Easter bunny, a flower, and a carrot, and I think all of them together looked so good. Except the flower, I could not get to work with anything in me. I tried to make the flower so many times, and every single time I tried to get the dough out, it literally broke. So I did all of them except the flower, and they taste really good. I actually had to end up using pancake mix in some of the cookies because I ran out of flour. Tell me why low-key tastes better. Like, it's actually really good. But that is going to be it for this little preparing for spring reset video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, comment this emoji down below and let me know what you're most excited for spring. And I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye.